Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where we discuss all things related to networking. In today's video, we will walk you through the step-by-step solution of our lab exercise on configuring IP addresses. This lab exercise is designed to provide beginners with hands-on experience in setting up IP addresses on network devices. By following along with this tutorial, you will gain practical knowledge and enhance your understanding of network configuration. Let's get started. We'll be working with a network composed of 2 PCs, 2 switches, and a router. Our first step is to configure the router. You can find all the commands used in this video and more on my website, which is linked in the description below. To begin, let's configure the host name for our router, R1. Before making any configurations on a network device, we need to enter privilege mode using the enable command, followed by the configure terminal command to access the configuration mode. To set up the hostname, simply enter the command hostname, followed by the desired hostname. In our case, we'll set it as R1. Now let's proceed to the configuration of the interfaces. To begin, we need to enter the interface configuration mode. Simply use the command interface, followed by the specific interface number, such as G00 inches in our case. Once we are in the interface configuration mode, we can proceed with configuring the IP address. To configure the IP address, use the command IP address, followed by the desired IP address. After entering the command, you may notice an incomplete command message upon hitting enter. Don't worry, we can resolve this by using the symbol. By pressing the up arrow key to access the previous command and adding A, at the end we can explore the available options. In this case, we need to add a subnet mask. Now let's proceed to activate the interface. To do so, simply use the no shutdown command. This command will bring the interface up. Once the interface is up, we can repeat the same steps for the G0/1 interface. Now that we have completed the configuration of the router, let's move on to configuring the PCs. To manually configure the IP address of a PC, navigate to the Configuration tab. You will notice that I have already configured the default gateway for you. Next, click on Fast Ethernet 0 inches to access the IP address configuration. Within the interface configuration, you can easily configure the IP address. The subnet mask will automatically fill in based on the IP address you provide. Now let's proceed to configure PC2 using the same steps outlined earlier. Once PC2 is configured with its IP address and subnet mask, we can proceed to test the connectivity between PC1 and PC2. To do this, we will ping PC2 from PC1. First, go to the Desktop tab on PC1 and click on the command prompt. From there, enter the command to ping PC2's IP address, which is 192.168.2.10. After initiating the ping, observe that PC1 is now able to communicate with PC2. The first ping failure is a common occurrence during the ARP process, and we will delve into the reasons behind it in our next video. And that concludes this lab exercise. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below.